would recommend this experience to anyone who either is a beginner and wants to learn the basics of bread baking, and even someone who has done it before.
Step into our kitchen where things take form. In Seville, Paris, learn with trusted experts the art of bread baking, from starter to finish. Hands-on, guided, and fun. The Let's Eat the World way. No experience, no problem. Seasoned baker, you're also welcome. We'll teach you steps and techniques to up your baking game. It all starts with a bit of flour and ends with delectable results. 3 days to master bread. Let's toast to your Let's bake bread.